guys, so I have the Allure beauty box for the month of June. I just got my box in. This is, I think, $15.99 a month that I pay for. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in, and as always, they have the little magazine on top. This kind of just describes the products that are in here and how to use them. So I'll go through that. And then the first thing I see in here, it says Beauty Loot. It's just like a little black bag. So I'm gonna open this up. And there's an ultra black Hourglass Caution mini mascara. There is a little detox mask from Caldel, which I have tried this and it's really, really nice. And then there's a little Neutrogena makeup wipe. And there's a little note in here as well. So it just says, thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing how we appreciate having you as a loyal member. So that is super cool that they have like these extras in here. That's super nice. And then there is a $20 gift card to Bubble Bar, which is like a jewelry place that I've never tried before. Let me know if you guys know anything. And then the first thing in here is the SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. It's a volume, refresh, and hold. It says dry shampoo meets hairspray. So it's supposed to absorb oil and give a soft hold. So let me see where this, okay, so it's on the back of the magazine, which is kind of weird because they usually say how much it is. It seems to me like this one's also an extra in here because it doesn't say the amount of price or anything. So let me just spray a little bit. I like the fact that it's not leaving like a dry cast, and it has like a nice clean smell to it. So this is something that I will definitely try to try it out and see how I like for my hair. And then the bag itself this month is this bright neon bag. Neons seem to be way into trend this summer. And let me go ahead and open this baby up. So first thing in here is floss, and it says my new favorite lip gloss, never tested on animals. So let's just pop this baby open. Oh, it's a gloss, but then it has the doe foot applicator in there as well. So it kind of seems like the old school gloss. And it has, I can't even pinpoint the smell. It's not like a bad smell, but I can't pinpoint it. It's not as obvious as like vanilla or something like that. So let me see this in here. This is a $16 lip gloss, and it says it's supposed to make your lips look healthy, plumped. Doesn't really say anything else, but the person who selected it from Allure Beauty Blocks says that it's just very comfortable on the lips and it's not a sticky mess. So I already have lip gloss on, and this is in the color Yule, just Y-U-L is what it says there, Y-U-L, and you can definitely see the doe foot applicator in there, which is kind of neat for a lip gloss because usually, okay, I have lip gloss on right now. I have the Jeffree Star Shockwave. So I can't really tell the difference between this one and the other one, but it just seems like a clear gloss with like a tint of pink to it. It doesn't seem like it's going to give a lot of color or anything like that. I'm looking in the mirror, but definitely just seems like a very clear gloss. I will definitely try this and kind of update you on my Instagram. I do have my Instagram and Twitter and everything down below if you guys want to follow me anywhere over there. Next thing in here is the Moroccan oil treatment. It says for all hair types, and you're supposed to just apply like a small amount. I don't really gravitate to oils like this because my hair gets oily super fast. So it says that this is the full size is $44. So I don't know if this is the full size or not. This comes with 0.34 fluid ounces. If not, it's pretty pricey. So it's supposed to help with your hair as far as like, it says it doesn't make it too greasy, so it kind of makes me want to try it and see if that's true or not. It has a beautiful smell to it. I don't know what the smell is, but it seems specific to Moroccan oil because I have kind of smelled that before. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hair and see. I think that I would just use like the tiniest bits for my hair and then kind of just spread it through my hair, because my hair just gets really greasy really fast because it's so thin. So definitely we'll play around with that and see how I like that oil. It will probably last me a really long time, even though it's such a tiny bottle, because I only need like the tiniest little drop ever. And then the next thing in here is the, what is this? Oh, this is the thermal spring water. I actually already use this. I have a full size in my bathroom. I love how hydrating this is for your face. It says soothing and softening. Basically, I don't know if it's just like literally water in a can, but it is super hydrating. It says that it has naturally rich in minerals, so it's really good for your skin, and it's supposed to just like really like waken your skin, kind of give it like a boost of hydration. This is worth $18.50, the full size, and this is 1.6 fluid ounces. So I don't know, this is the price of this, because they kind of confuse me. A lot of times they have like minis of stuff and they don't correlate with the prices. But as someone who has used this, I really enjoy this. It's very hydrating on the skin. Anytime I need like an extra boost of hydration, I use this, and I do own the full size, which is in my bathroom. Next thing in here is a little tube, and this is the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream, and this is half a fluid ounce. So just seems like a nice hydrating eye cream. I might just give this away because of the fact that I do have way too many and I only have 2 eyes to put this on. So this is really nice. And yeah, just a nice vitamin C eye cream. It's probably supposed to give brightness to the under eye. And then the last thing in here is a pencil. It's the Brow Gal pencil in medium brown, and it actually has a sharpener on one end and a spoolie on the other. Okay, so that's really cool. It has a spoolie and then the sharpener and then the shade itself. It seems like it has shimmer on it, which I don't know if I really care for on a brow, just because I don't know, I prefer more of a matte. So it does have shimmer on there. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but it looks kind of shimmery. I will be giving this away to a friend. I know that I have quite a few coworkers who are dying to try like eye pencils, like brow pencils and different brow stuff. And if you can't tell, my brows are like pretty full naturally. So I will definitely be giving this to a friend so that way they can test this out and see if they like it. But yeah, so that is worth, let me see, that is worth $23. So it says it has a waxy consistency and it doesn't go on too heavy or too ununiform. So it's just supposed to look very natural on your brows. So we'll see if somebody at work, I have a friend at work who has been dying to try one, so I think that this would probably look really nice on her. So overall, I think it's an okay box. I don't really fully feel like super wowed by anything. I do like the fact that I got like the extra little bonuses in here, so that was really nice to see, and even the little extra spray. So there was like 4 extra bonuses. I hope to like the gloss, the hair stuff, the spray is something. They're all stuff that I will use, but I'm not like, oh my god, wow, this was such an awesome box, I love it. You know, it's just, I don't feel overly hyped up about it, or you know, super excited about anything in here. It's just like, it's nice. So I don't know, I was more excited in previous boxes. Let me know what you guys think. What are your opinions down below? Is it something that you're excited for? You're kind of like turned off by it? I'd love to hear your opinion down below. Or am I just being overcritical? I don't know. Sometimes when you have like way too much stuff, it just, sometimes when you get certain stuff, you're just like, you know, you want stuff that just really calls your name. So yeah, so we'll see how these go. I will probably update you guys on my Instagram if you guys want to follow me there. I usually update you guys on different things on my stories. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe to hitting that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until the next one. Bye, guys.